They then work their way down the table, grabbing the supplies that go with the age and the gender they picked. When they are done filling the box, they can write a letter if they choose to. They then tape the box shut and start all over with a new box. Every year, Derrick, Brittany, Kayla, and Liam participate in this event and enjoy doing it. Every time Derrick and Brittany had the opportunity to give back to people in need, they did. They really enjoyed doing it and thought it was important. They decided to teach their children at a young age how some people are struggling and they can help them. Brittany was the one who found this event and started going to it, and Derrick followed along. He did not want to stop to this tradition with Brittany being gone, so he continued it. Even though it was different without Brittany there, Derrick and the children enjoyed themselves and felt good about it. Kayla really enjoyed participating in this event because she gets to pack boxes and help wrap them. She also can write notes and put them in the box as well. She understands why she is doing this, and she is always excited to do it. Liam is a little young to fully understand why he is packing boxes for other people. He is starting to understand a little bit. He loves picking out the toys to put in the boxes along with the other things that get added in there. This is the website of the Operation Christmas Child from the boxes. They do it at their church, the Queen of Angels Church. People go to Goodwill and the Salvation Army Family Store Donation Center to get supplies to fill the boxes. Microsystem is the Collins family, schools, teachers in the community of Fort Wayne, Indiana. The Mesosystem is the Collins family's relationships with teachers and people in the community. The Extomatic is the community of support. The microsystem is that they are Caucasian and Catholic and attend church. This was the presentation of the Family Scenario Project, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.